I bought this car in 1993. I've never driven this car in the 28 years that I've owned it. My name's Mark Oberkircher, and I got to know Karl when I worked for General Motors, and I was transferred out here back in 2004, and that's when I really got to know Karl, and I got to know about the customs work just by hanging around the dealership and coming over and looking at some of the projects that they were working on. Always amazing stuff, amazing work all the time. I'd always wanted, for the longest time, a late 60s, early 70s muscle car. I bought it for $700. It was just a body. It was in primer, no engine, no transmission, so it really was a blank slate. I could do whatever I wanted with it. And since it was never going to be a correct vehicle, I decided along the way to make it into a judge tribute. You know, life happens, you get busy, and I just didn't have the time and the space to work on it. Karl gave me a call one day and said, hey, you know, let me help you finish the car. The timing was right, and the level of finish and the way this has come together is just remarkable. You know, it really couldn't have been better, all the way from, you know, them coming and picking the car up in my driveway in Chicago and loading all those boxes of parts. Really enjoyed getting the videos and the updates on where it was going, especially the one where it was running.
Oh, there she is, Mark.
Because I didn't know whether it was going to run or not. You know, just on a little test drive here, it ran very nicely. So I know what his standards are. And I will tell you this, when I first talked to him about bringing the car here, I told him, I said, look, Karl, this car, my project, is not to your standards. He told me during one conversation, he said, look, you have nothing to be ashamed of with that car. It's really nice, and you know, we're gonna do a great job of finishing it off for you.